get our... Dapat kailangan namin ng things. Hindi namin susurvive. Pero, saglit lang po kami. So, baba, we're gonna get our things. 1 hour later. Yes, I got a pencil, even though I don't have paper or a drawing thing. And I have an abacus, I think. And I have a gun. My cousin stuff, the boy one. He has a book, train. Put this. We've been here. I'm bored. I'm super bored. I have an idea to plan. I have to get my cousin's book on board. So guys, yun lang ha, kasi we can touch the ground now. So bye mga bye.